Mnangagwa Unfit to Lead Nation, Geza, the 14th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, outspoken war veteran blessed Geza has launched a blistering attack on President Emmerson Mnangagwa, declaring him unfit to lead and accusing his administration of presiding over unprecedented levels of corruption and mismanagement. Speaking on Friday evening after months of silence, Geza said he had deliberately withdrawn from the political scene to allow Mnangagwa time to respond to earlier demands. I was giving Mr. Emmerson Mnangagwa time to reflect on the demands that I made, Geza explained. Looting has reached another level. Instead of responding constructively, Geza accused Mnangagwa of turning a blind eye to corruption within his inner circle. Mnangagwa is even adamant. Looting has reached another level. KUTYA, Scott Sakapwanya, Wicknell Chivio are stealing at will. Geza charged, saying the ruling elite continues to enrich itself while ordinary citizens sink deeper into poverty. Geza's accusations echo widespread concerns about state capture by politically connected business figures, many of whom have been accused of benefiting from inflated government tenders and preferential contracts. Health concerns raised. In a rare and direct challenge, Geza also questioned Mnangagwa's physical fitness to remain in office, citing signs of deteriorating health. Mnangagwa's health is deteriorating. He is unfit to lead, Geza declared, warning that Zimbabwe risked sliding further into crisis under his continued rule. Although Mnangagwa's health has long been a subject of speculation, Geza's public remarks add fuel to growing uncertainty around the president's ability to see out his term, let alone extend it under the controversial ED 2030 agenda. Call for leadership transition. Geza hinted that unless urgent change occurs, pressure will mount from both within and outside ZANU-PF. More citizens will publicly demand accountability and a leadership transition, he warned. War veterans' growing voice. War veterans, who played a decisive role in the ouster of the late Robert Mugabe in 2017, appear once again to be reasserting their influence in shaping Zimbabwe's political future. Geza's statement adds to a chorus of voices warning that Mnangagwa's leadership is losing legitimacy both inside the party and across the nation.